our first video, and the topic of our video is SQL injection. This video is in 4 different languages, that is in English, Urdu, Arabic and in Persian. First of all, I will tell you about SQL injection. Next slide, you can see that it is a technique that is used by hackers, and it is a method to access unauthorized database. Accounts of any database can be hacked easily. It is a technique in which the malicious users, unauthorized user, can inject the SQL command into an SQL statement using the input page of website. The injected SQL commands can alter the SQL statement and compromise the security of web application. In the next slide, you can see that we have two tables. The name of first table is user and the second is accounts table. The information about the user ID and the password will in the first table and the accounts detail in the second table. The main data is in the accounts table that we want to access. In order to access the accounts information, we will need to enter the user ID and its relative password. We can use SQL injection to get unauthorized access. In order to get the access, we need to know user ID, and for that purpose I will tell you the syntax. In this slide you can see that we write the syntax. First of all, we write select, then user ID, and then we write comma, and then its relative password, that is user ID's relative password, and then comma from user, where user ID is equal to 1 or 2 or 1 is equal to 1. Let's say that the original purpose of the code was to create an SQL statement to select a user with a given user ID. If there is nothing to prevent the user from entering wrong input, the user can enter some smarter input like 1 and 2 or 1 is equal to 1. The statement that 1 is equal to 1 is always true. So we can easily access the desired user ID. We can easily access the desired user ID. In order to make SQL injection successful, the hacker must have the information about the name of the table that they want to hack. And in the next slide, you can see that we have real world example: one American and two unnamed Russian with the theft of 130 million credit card number using an SQL injection attack. So you can see that this is very dangerous for an organization point of view. And that's all from this video. Please subscribe our channel and write comment so we can improve our videos next time. Thank you very much.